I'm so used to looking at the TV. Menalolotio, Walini Bielso Dumadig, Neen Blair, Justine, Faye, Wildas Bejidayo, Wildas Yang, Minahde Moloha, Nodul Nino, Gidebegi Adio, Dimk, Jixiduaneja, Essisohnigo Oxide, Dahante, Caramo, Elte Meaded. Okay, so all the participants will receive an iPad. This one is mine. And it will be delivered in the new year.
Yes.
Yes. So, congratulations for participating. We'll take an iPad, new generation now. So, who has the recording?
Kevin.
Oh, Kevin, could you please play the recording of these little babies?
It would be my pleasure. Excuse me just a minute. I'm sorry, is that coming through on the video?
We don't see the picture. We hear the audio though. We're just going to go to the next school and then we'll figure that out towards the end, I guess.
Okay.
Sounds good? I'll send JR down. So next we have member to school. Are you here? Can you unmute your microphone, please?
I think that's them right there where all the kids are gathered.
Okay, they're just setting up right now. Member to school, can you please unmute your microphone?
Is that muted?
Yep.
Can you hear us?
Yes, welcome. Wadasi bejidayo. Goyel temo. Ubadu jishk, ahabide jishk.
All right.
One of my favorite songs. Take it away.
Santa Claus, do the
Well dahig, walalio. Grade 6.
Great.
Walalio. So you will get an iPad in the new year for your classroom. Just one. Up next we have Wegohama Mi'kmaq School. Emildio? Unmute your microphone. Goyal Temo. Oh yes, well Sidula. Dalgrida Mutio?
Grade 5.
Oh yes, well Aliek. Take it away, grade 5. Oh, well dahig. Well Aliek. Wegohama hoa. Well Aliek, Wegohama hoa. Well dahig. Ahmo bugolua.
Seven mawalos.
Yeah, well sidalo. Gelu delada hadio.
Walaliek.
Si habían cartidosum, nie concert.
Oh, you guys love to watch the concert.
You guys want to watch it?
Yeah, of course. Let's skip now.
Okay, mute atos the microphone mo. Wahamid kugua. Emil Dio. Okay. All right, Goyal Temo.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bye.
Maul 나오지요. Okay, 기스카지요. All right, take it away. Well, dahil, Miguel, pwede nuwala wigaro? All right. Loved it. Wala liag wahamid kukua. Welto studio. Wilini biala suduma di rossa. Album di rossa. Picture land in emo dio. Yep. Perfect. Just waiting for you to come onto the big screen here.
Is that something we have to do?
No, it's nothing. There you are. Perfect. What grades do we have?
We have the whole school.
Whole school. Amazing. Gue medalolotio.
Bye.
Goyotie makiskog. Well said law. All right. Dumkul barujish, abidejish. Take it away.
Okay.
Obadu, Gigi, and Pages first, guys. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Giskug?
Eh.
Oh, yes.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Galalia, wel jaheg. Gelu delada hadio pictu. Siawian katidosib ni Christmas concert. Namutos Galalia. Kevin, let's try that recording. He's not there? Ew. Never mind then. Allison Bernard Memorial High School. Emil Diop, please unmute your microphone.
The high school is having problems connecting right now, so we're trying to resolve that. So if you go on to the next one, that would be good.
Okay, if you wanted to go to that recording that we had scheduled.
Okay, I can do that.
All right, here goes Eskasoni Sideda Hunk Daycare. It's previously recorded.
There we go, finally.
Perfect. All right, take it away, Kevin.
So as you can see, the video's not keeping up with the audio, so we'll delay the second song till we stream it better. So if you, but Alice and Bernard is now connected, so if you could switch to them, that would be great.
Perfect. Allison Bernard Memorial High School, can you please unmute your microphone?
Hello from the high school.
Where?
Hi, Jonathan.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you ready for us yet?
We are ready for you.
Okay, just give us a couple of minutes here. We just got connected.
How many minutes?
How many minutes we need, Katani?
5?
There's only about 13 here, or 15.
1 sec. We're ready now. They're ready. How long do you need? 5 minutes?
You're on a call.
We need 5 minutes.
Perfect. I'll just go to the next school. If you can mute your microphone for now, please. And I'll
Okay,
get back
thank
to
you.
you. Thank you. LSK, Muldio. LSK, can you please unmute your microphone?
Yes, we're ready.
Hey, Curtis.
Hi. We're doing, since you love that song so much, we got the grade twos also doing a version.
It's my favorite song, I'm telling you.
Are you
All
ready?
right. We're
Okay.
ready. What grade are you? 2. My favorite grade.
Oh my.
Take
Here
it
we
away,
go.
grade 2.
We have another song. Can you do it real quick because they're under recess?
Yes, yep.
All right, grade
Same.
3 class. We got the grade 3 class back here. They're just going to come all over here real quick.
Grade 1's go.
Perfect.
All right. All right.
Demo, grade 3?
And we're going to sing Huron Carol. Get it in there.
Ah,
Ready?
take
1,
it away.
2, 3.
grade 3. Walaliek, Willie di Biola Sugmadi Dossip.
You too.
Allison Bernard Memorial High School, Emuldio. Giskajotio.
Doing anything right now?
I think we're
Us, Johnny, when you gonna need us?
right. Do you want to do 2 of our numbers back to back, folks, or do you want to do 1 and then wait for a bit?
We'll do 1 and wait for a bit, if you don't mind.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna do Away in a Manger now, and then we'll come back.
Sure, then why don't you somebody come down the stage and get me when you need me, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot, Carter. We're gonna do Away in a Manger now in Mi'kmaq. Katani, whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
1, 2, 1. Maybe the video's a little bit. There they are.
Where, what camera's recording or Saturday?
Yeah.
Both.
Maya, you're singing in this one? No.
Alles even toe first. Is nou onnodig toepassen? Onnodig toepassen?
Ja.
Tabu ook temu. Is nou nieuw. Ja, op de manier. We on?
Whenever you guys are ready.
Are we on camera? Nige, we go home. School. Ulnugwa digi gojua. Emuldia.
Hey.
High school, Allison Bernard Memorial High School. Can you mute your microphone just for a few minutes?
Thank you.
Well, I'll we go home. Emuldia, huh?
Yes.
Hello. Wait.
Oh yes. Ulnugwa dio gojua. Oh. That was your tio.
No,
7.
Ooh.
7. Hey, 7. All of us are 7. Except for
Okay.
me.
Are we ready?
Shoot.
All right, take it away.
Put your hand here. Yep.
Santa Claus!
gwego huma. Nige Migmawe school, they modio.
Eh? Nu doe ik.
Noodle, gweo temo.
Kies op nu bij ons in de man.
Oh, yes. Dawi jotio.
Great primary.
Ooh, apche chuano.
Trina, can you guys put the camera down a bit? With the remote?
Turn the camera down.
Can I control it?
No.
A little, yeah.
I don't even know.
With the air, yeah, there you go.
Is it
Wait,
working?
primary, me dalo lotio.
That's good. Hold on, let me get
Whoops.
down there.
Oh, sorry.
Whoops.
Okay.
Oh, sit me down. Oh, sit me down.
Hello.
Okay, are we ready?
Hello.
Ready?
Georgie.
Ready?
Georgie.
Jason. Neil.
You're on.
Jesus Christus, I do not get the view on it.
He's up in the house. Sing.
He's up in the house. Sasana Emuriek.
He's up in the house. He's up in the house. Jesus is good.
I do not get the view on it.
Jesus is good. I do not.
Can we on it?
Jesus is good.
Right now. Kill him on it. Now come.
He's up in the house.
He's up in the house, Mom.
Well done.
He's
up in the house.
He's up in the house, Mom.
Jesus is good. I do not. Got her in. Nope. I'm not good.
Jason.
There you go. Now go in. Careful. Turn around. That's good. Turn around. That's enough. Turn around. Ready? Jesus.
Kisko, Ajibuna, Cat video on it. You're my spot. You're my spot.
Well, all you well, all you primary classroom.
Hi.
Na dawan
Come on,
tudio.
Liam.
Well, all you luto sir. Hindi niyo bilang Akio. Okay, nige pick to landing. Giskuk. LTM English. Emodio pick to landing?
No, they sang that.
Yeah.
Did they sing that?
No, they didn't. Pick to landing. Unmute your microphone, please.
Hello. We already Hi, we already sang.
Oh, you're not singing another one?
Oh, we already sang our 2 songs.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Thought I'd mention you again for doing such a great job. And so we have last live is Allison Bernard Memorial High School. And Goyel Temo. Emoldio. Unmute your microphone, Allison Bernard Memorial High School. Liljuwalalik.
Nu doe je het.
Noodle.
Oké.
Goyel Temo.
Guess see where they get to go with you.
Yeah.
Guess see where they get
Scheduled
to
deal.
go.
Ja.
Guess who always school. Shake it. Oh shit.
Nige op Jamaica. Winter Wonderland. Nige maar weer toe. Are we on?
Yeah.
Tell we see. Cassie, Wally, Cassie, go we go. Okay, let's go. Ready?
Carter's coming.
Hang on, we gotta eat.
Go wait for her.
Okay, Miss Gay, we just had students walk in.
Everybody just stand in front or something. I'll stand up.
Okay, go what?
And then people go in front.
Okay. Teach what you go, chicks in the man. Out he was, all my daughters. Where the young gone go, well, God in Lord, guess he will, he guess he goes good. Small house he does, TTS, TTU, Billy Sister. Ahmed Asinton, Adele Bemi die. Yes, he would, he guess he goes good. Yes, he ought to know a story, Gina. Well, the weather's not about the eyes. Jeff Wadum and the weather's my home. My dear, we just stand to keep the same. Yes, the neck, really dead, there's no dead, I'm a little. No, we got one nest, until did I say. Yes, it would, he guess he goes good. Yes, he always knew a story, Gina. Well, the weather's full of body eyes. Jeff Wadum and the weather's my home. My dear, we just stand to keep the same. Yes, we neck, really dead, there's no dead, I'm a little. No, we got one nest, until did I say. Yes, it would, he guess he goes good.
Wiltahag, Uncle Snoodum. Wiltahag, Giluk Delada Hadio. Malali.
We have one more. We have one more. Don't we? You guys have another one? We have- Oh, sorry.
Just a little history of the song. It was translated 6 years ago, and this was the first public ever performance of the song.
Amazing. Amazing.
Good job, guys.
Absolutely.
So, Jonathan, are you doing one more last
Yeah,
performance?
there's one more song. Carter's coming in right now.
Perfect.
YOLO. Never, I don't think we actually said the whole song. So listen, after the guitar solo, the tambourine,
See, I think that's what the whole purpose of this concert was.
sing that once, Joyce, and cue me in on
Jonathan,
solo.
Yes?
do you need like 2 or 3 minutes?
Do you guys want 2 or 3 minutes? Carter?
What do you mean? Like,
Do you want 2 or 3 minutes to tune or whatever, or do you want to start right now?
sure.
Sure? 2 or 3 minutes. We'll be fine.
Perfect. I'm just, Kevin, if you would mind playing the rest of the daycare recording. And just to let everybody know, the quality is very poor streaming it from the Wi-Fi to the video conference. But you can look at it, a full version online, a very clear version on the Help Desk website. And that's posted up there now, I think. Right now. So Kevin, press play. Amazing. Thank you, Assistofonics, Data Hunk Daycare. And Jonathan, if you can please unmute your microphone, we'll do the last performance of the video conference concert. And no, it's me. Unmute your microphone, please, Jonathan.
So you're ready for us, yeah?
We're ready for you.
Okay.
And could you just taking care of business, right?
That's right. Taking care of Christmas.
You can even do this part. Taking care of Christmas every day. Whatever.
Taking care of Christmas, sorry.
Yes.
Do that one. Once with tambourine and once without the tambourine with us playing with them.
Whenever you guys are ready.
There we go. We've never played. Newell wants. Go grab Newell there. Oh. Should we preface this by saying we actually have never played this song before?
Yeah.
That's the truth.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Yeah. First time you're performing it?
First time we've ever played it right through to the end.
What do you over there?
It's that time of year again, you take a pair of paper and a pen and write your Christmas letter to St. Nick.
Send it to the North Pole, who is workshop in the snow. Put it into working on it quick. And tell Santa you've been good, you've done things you should do. And you're waiting for his visit Christmas Eve. If you're in bed by 9, you've been given lots of time. Please put some special toys under your tree. And you'll be taking care of Christmas every day. Taking care of Christmas in a sleigh. Taking care of Christmas, doing it right. Merry Christmas to all and all a good night.
wants a new computer.
Billy wants a new guitar and drum machine.
Daddy wants a new Corvette, CD player, and a cassette.
Mommy wants a boy to carry diamond ring. But don't forget the boys and girls can't afford a lot of toys. It's time to build an empty place. It's that time to share the kitties everywhere. And if we make this great, then you'll be taking care of Christmas every day. Taking care of Christmas
every way.
Taking care of Christmas, do it right. Merry Christmas to all and all a good night.
You'll be taking care of Christmas every day. Taking care of Christmas every way. You'll be taking care of Christmas. Do it right. Merry Christmas, Lord, and all a good night. Taking care of Christmas
every day.
Taking care of Christmas. Taking care of Christmas. It's all right. Merry Christmas, Lord, and all a good night.
Be good.
That was pretty amazing. Thank you. Who are your performers there, Jonathan?
Come on out, guys, and introduce yourselves.
Yeah, introduce yourselves. You're a very small, talented group.
This is Leon Julian, grade 10 music student here. Maya Denny, grade 11 student who took music 10 collective last year. I'm Carter Chesson, I'm a music and tech teacher here, and this is
Darren Stevens, guidance counselor.
guidance counselor and musician.
Darren. Yeah. Darren, you blended well. We thought you were a third student. Well, yeah. That was an upbeat way to end the concert. Quite a remix. Kevin was loving life. Like, I don't know if you've seen him like dancing in his chair. So, we are running a bit over time, but that's nothing new. We'd like to thank you, Wilaliek, for joining us. Again, it's always memorable to see all your performances year after year. And every year, Faye promises she will sing, but she's not ready. Next year, maybe. So, I don't know if this will be posted onto the website.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, perfect. If you want to see this performance, please check out the Help Desk website, and it will be posted there like a YouTube star right now. So yeah, Wilaliek, Wilini Biel Sudumadi Dosub, Usubunane. We will see you in January, because it's the last week. Anything to say, ladies?
No. Wilaliek.
Dosub.